Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to my channel, Time to Cook. I am Chef Christy, and yes, as you can see, I'm going to be using my slow cooker today. I love recipes that use a slow cooker, and this one is a good one because I'm going to be making a dessert in my slow cooker. What I'm going to make is a chocolate cobbler. And I know when I said the word chocolate, you were in, right? Well, this is such a good recipe. It's super easy. You have a nice, delicious, fluffy chocolate cake and a delicious chocolate sauce underneath. Perfect with ice cream. It is fabulous. So let me go over all the ingredients and everything that you will need to make your delicious chocolate cobbler. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified as soon as I upload new delicious recipes. Okay, so to make the delicious chocolate cake, you will need 1.5 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of cocoa, and then 3/4 of a cup of milk. Now you are going to be adding half of this stick of butter. You're going to melt that and put that in the cake batter, and the other half will be melted and put in the bottom of your slow cooker. So you will also need 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar and 1.5 tablespoons of cocoa. You're going to mix these two together and sprinkle over the cake batter, and then pour 1.5 cups of boiling water over everything. And that's what's going to give you your delicious chocolate sauce. But I'll show you just how to do that. Okay, so I'm just going to dump all these ingredients in this mixing bowl with my flour. Add my milk. And 1/2 stick of melted butter. Going to mix the sugar and cocoa together. So the other half of the stick of butter I've melted and put in the bottom of my slow cooker, and then I'm just going to put this batter. And this batter is a little thick. And I'm just going to try to spread this out so it's a little even in the bottom of my slow cooker. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then I'm just going to sprinkle this brown sugar and cocoa mixture all on top. Now do not stir, just leave it just like that. Okay, next I'm just going to take my water, and this is 1.5 cups of water. I brought it up to a boil, and I'm going to just pour it over the cake. After you finish pouring all the water over the cake, make sure that you do not stir. Okay. So next, you're just going to cover your slow cooker. You're going to cook it on high for 2 to 3 hours and on low for 4 to 6 hours. Okay, the chocolate cobbler is done. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh, you got to come check this out. That is absolutely amazing. So delicious. That cake is light and fluffy, and there's just a rich fudgy sauce. You guys are gonna have to give this one a try for sure. So I also wanted to tell you that you can make this chocolate cobbler in the oven. You just want to bake it in an 8x8 square pan. Do exactly the same thing. Melt your half a stick of butter in the bottom of your pan. Pour your batter in. Sprinkle the brown sugar and cocoa over top. Pour the boiling water over it all, and then bake it in a 350-degree oven for about 30 to 35 minutes. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the slow cooker dessert today. I'm telling you, you're going to want to make this one. But thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and as always, I will see you soon with more recipes.